how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So if you want to transfer contacts from your Android to your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your contacts. After opening your contacts, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of move contacts to other storage location. You might have that option in some Android devices, or you might not have that option. But if you have it, then you can tap on it. But if you don't have it, then you just need simply go back, go with contacts, which is on the bottom right, go with the three dots and go with settings now. And here you will have import or export option. Or if you still don't have that option, you can open up your contacts. From your contacts, you need to go with organize, which is on the bottom. Now, under organize, you need to scroll down, and here you will have import from file or export to file. Now, you need to tap on export and then export to a Google account. Once you've exported to your Google account, like for example, if I go with the first Google account, tap on it, tap on export, and here you need to save it on your downloads of your Google account. Once you've saved on the other device on your iPhone, you need to go and import it. You can tap on import and then go and select your Google account on your iPhone and select the file from your Google account, and your contacts will be imported. That's how you can transfer your contacts from Android to iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.